Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ty if you're new here. And today's the 4th of July. I just woke up. It's like 8 o'clock. And I have like a lot of stuff planned to do today. So I just like, why not pick up the camera, right? But right now I'm finna go to the park because that's where we at. And just help decorate and stuff. So yeah, y'all can go ahead and come on with me. Okay, so y'all, I'm at the park. And girl, that's all I can say. It's too early for me to wait working the way I'm working. Then I got my dog. I'm talking about just muddy and everything else. But it's a good part. I'm finna go get some stuff in the car so I can finish helping them. I just put up a tent. All I could do is shake my head. But I'm finna go see my sister. She at the car with the stuff, so yeah. Okay, y'all, so now we put up the tent and stuff. A little bit of decorations, but I'm just chilling right now, waiting on my sister to get back because she left me. My hair messed up, but it's okay because stay tuned for later. That's all I gotta say. But no, how y'all been? I'm bored. They left me at the park by myself. Wait, my sister come right back. It's early still, and it's like a lot of people over there. Happy 4th of July. Ooh. But yeah, I'm just gonna talk to y'all when something else come up because I just like, but yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all when something else come up because ain't really nothing to talk about, ain't really doing nothing. I'm just sitting here listening to music, do what I do. So yeah, we got left at the park. They had us come put the stuff together.
They lose the wrong people.
It took us 30 minutes to open the box, and I'm not even kidding. Like, why the box just got open? Child, this part, all the tablecloth falling off. Look at Naya.
I'm tired.
Now they eating, just big. They ain't did nothing yet but want to eat. Whew, y'all wanna watch us put this thing together? All right, I got y'all. So y'all, more of the story, it ain't gonna get built. We over here playing tennis. Don't know what we doing, but y'all can watch. Okay, so moral of the story, we did not go play that game. It is too hot. Like, look at me. Just a mess. So I'm just gonna get back to y'all when I'm done getting dressed because this heat is beating me. Say bye, y'all.
Beating me. Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say hey, Asha. Look what I'm with, y'all.
Oh, my damn.
Just rough. But no, we at Walmart. Look at my child.
Hey, that
Like, y'all can stop playing with her. She in the spirit. Let me see y'all get that blue bow. Yes. Right now, I should looking for some scissors. She came with these super boots. So we trying to look for something else. We trying to look for something, but we ain't messing with it.
Bitch, don't use my shit on me talking about super boots. Don't put on my shoes. Bitch, I'm getting these.
Let me see. Get it.
Yeah, somebody get these.
Look
30.
What you say, girl?
Stop, I keep touching the ground.
Look at her. She tired. She been running around all day at that park. Look at her. She got me weak. I'm over here crying. We at the party, the barbecue. Of course, we sit in the car.
My lips so black.
But yeah.
The scrubbing don't do it. If y'all know how to...
What happened?
They don't know. They don't... Ooh, what just happened?
They don't embarrass us like that. Ooh.
Are people leaving?
I don't know. We'll get back to y'all.